Every now and then I've got to make something for my vegetarian friends, and today's your lucky day. I'm going to make lentil chili. So I've started by bringing 3/4 of a cup of vegetable broth to a simmer, and I'll add in a chopped red bell pepper and a small chopped yellow onion and 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, depending upon your taste. And I will cook it until the vegetables are softened, and then I'll add in 4 tablespoons of hot Mexican chili powder. Now you can use the regular mild stuff, but I like it hot. Now add a little over 7 cups of vegetable broth, along with 16 ounces of brown lentils, and then a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes along with the juices. Go ahead and bring it to a boil, reduce it to a simmer, then cook it partially covered for about 30 minutes, and then for another 10 minutes after that, after the lentils become tender, you can cook it uncovered for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to make sure we get some real Mexican flavor into this. I've chopped some cilantro, and I will add it to the chili. Stir it in. Make sure it's all incorporated. And then ladle it into a bowl ready for dinner. I think it'd be great with some hot, crusty bread. And I'll send you this recipe if you'll write to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I hope you enjoy this lentil chili, and I'll see you next time.